Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a dramatic matte effect using Photoshop. So we want to start off by just duplicating our existing layer that we have of this model. Select OK. And then we want to head over to create a new adjustment layer. And we want to select exposure. Then we want to increase the exposure to 50. That looks good. And then we want to increase the offset to about 0.798. That looks good, 0.714. And then we're just going to increase the gamma correction to 0.90. And then we're going to create a new adjustment layer. And this time we're going to select levels. And we're just going to increase the levels to be 58 and then select OK. Well, just press enter in fact. And then we're just going to group up these layers together, those three layers, and then just drag into the folder icon. And then if we unhide our effect, you can see the original image. And if you check it back, you can see that it's significantly a lot brighter and more of a dramatic shot. And this is a nice way you can apply this effect to any photo that you work on in Photoshop. It's really easy to do and takes less than a few seconds to achieve the end result. And you can even set it up as a Photoshop action to reuse in your projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.